Hey everybody, I'm Adrian Bustamante from YouTube's Food Deconstructed, and today I'm going to answer the question if you can freezer pack fresh veggies. And the quick answer is yes, you can definitely freezer pack fresh veggies, and the only thing you really need is your fresh vegetables here or here, and your freezer bag. So really simple. All you're going to do is open your freezer bag, take whatever fresh veggies will fit in that bag, and just place it inside. There you go. You have to squeeze it in there a little bit. If you need to cut them up as well, you can. So I'm going to fit one broccoli crown in here like this. Seal it up, making sure no air has gotten in. And then you can just go down the line, putting each one in its own separate freezer bag. Or again, like I said, you can even chop them up and place it in the freezer bag like that as well. It does make it a little bit easier when if you want to use it later in regards to like a stir fry or a stew or something like that, you can just throw it right in the pot. But there it is. I'm Adrian Bustamante, and I just answered the question, can you freezer pack fresh veggies?